Then I mean they take a sheet of paper and piece of paper. So the two of them, not a better paper. So NEPA can go cut their line. And I go here today, I never say anything.
FunnyBone Live, Aina's son.
Next up, this boy is not normal. This boy is not well. For the industry, we are tired of him. We don't know what to do, but he's one of us. We don't feel deny him. For 10 minutes, let's welcome the not so okay, one of my favorite comedians in Nigeria, anytime, any day. We call him the comedian's comedian. Make some noise. Prepare your mind for nonsense. The one and only Mr. Paul.
Girls in my crib, zero Snapchat, zero Instagram.
See the way I be for screen. Wonderful. All right, Abuja, now well done. Now well done. At least when I don't laugh tire. So what else do you expect? And not be to drive on and go now remain. And I don't laugh rich. So it's enough. Come and start going. I want to do now just to drive on. That's my mission here now. So my friend where they repair my water ball. So I tell now just now, I give you now the info. See what I want to talk now be that too. So just ready. So you go repair the borehole. So the pipe we put for the borehole, the pipe they leak. So River Niger water they enter through the pipe. And River Niger gets salt water. So my water they River Benue. So the salt water could they enter. So in children they go school. The tailor wear so uniform for the children when they go school. Because he won't come measure the children. May you see how so salt water can enter that tailor eye. So as they enter eye, Mama water can say, I won't do now. So he can't carry his children for back. As he carry them, because they won't do relay race for Ghana. Because all the Mama water gather, so they get so Yoruba Mama water like pepper well. So now be caterer for the marriage. So as they want to do the marriage, let me talk. What be all this food? Hey, Ross. Well done, Ross. I greet you. Chief Body One. You know, when people come just now, they talk about Shidi Mokeme. Fine. And try. This industry, say to art film, to the art, they do all those things. Say easy. Now, Shidi Mokeme, they do movie. That time, not be now. They do 2 movies for one day. That's it. You go from morning to night, they shoot. And now with one camera, now they hold the camera. So my friend, I they video them. So the boy get shoulder pain because I hear they put the camera. She go say which day that they use one camera. No, but now so it just be. See waiting. In fact, these people they presently now Bonu they pass through. I think now Bonu now right where flood. Not be where flood happened, just not be Bonu. Yeah, Bonu state, right? So in fact, more they pray for that state because they don't suffer well. And they suffer kidnap, and they see you don't enter Boko Haram, herdsmen, everything from Borno. So we don't know whether that state join Nigeria because the way that they suffer, we never see them once. So this flood will carry, so flood can carry one shower from when I say this one, they talk, say a joke. So flood carry. I'm not saying flood, they carry different things. If you see things where flood carry crocodile, carry different animals, snake, carry them. So you get one group where they kidnap one person, they kidnap her, the flood can reach there. So call carry that they are ransom. Person they kidnap, so call they carry and they run. So kidnapper call they pursue the water. So this other flood carry another kidnapper and ransom, they come this other side. So they pursue each other, so they call jam for middle. So as they did the water they turn for there. So the kidnapper call they turn. The police they follow them, they turn around. So the motor where they carry shit, all those motor they carry shit, so the motor they pass their middle. So they ring back, waga, if you want to shit, come here, if you want to shit. So the time they take a sheet of paper and piece of paper. So the two of them, not a better paper. So NEPA can go cut their line. When I go here today, I never say anything. I tell them before saying that rubbish I won't cut up. Una they understand una presidencies. Una they understand them. So na me won't come na me una won't understand. All of us go suffer like that. Nobody go understand anybody. We just talk. You go to talk your own. You don't understand me. I don't understand. Just they live your life. They go. This Nigeria be like handcuff. The more you they struggle, the more the teeth they tight you. Now people will understand go know what I talk just now. So this one I want to talk. This one happen. My friend where they drive aeroplane. So he drive the aeroplane. Can't go hit train. That's all this train where they pass. So people will get the train. Because say, why you call pass our road? Because the boy first go donate train give one church. So the church say, we are the one drive the train pass. So you call donate train give us. Going tie rope for the train. Carry and they go. So crocodile they follow him. As they tie the thing they go. So my friend when they in the bath pig. Now pig in the bath. So he call bath the pig. So as he bath the pig. Men una go here today. I never see. I still get 5 minutes. Now 5 minutes I don't do. So remain 5 minutes. No, I never finish. Now here today. Bro, now here. Now me tell me I call listen to you. Now go here. So, okay, may not be like say, Ingo say, I just call perform for a show and not talk one better. I talk one better. So, where would they say? My father go buy, not those granites. He go buy that big tipper of granite because he won't build that. So he call put them for one side. As he put the granite for them, he call go. So, say, guess, if they gist all these guys, as they gist, they go to blush. They say, please stop. So one boy goes stand near the granite, they gist one girl. So the girl called the blush, they throw the granite. You go through, you go carry one, you go throw it, stop. You go throw, you go say stop. So that he call transfer the full granite, go another compound. Oh, my brother, you are a good man. Thank you very much. You gave me this. In this economy. I have one frog joke for you. Frog. You like frog? I want to finish this one. Man, come on. Now this one you record, me you post. So, he don't gist the guy don't throw the granite good out. My father just going not see granite. What did they happen? So he called beg the guy, say, you go stay that side so that they'll gist you, come, so you transfer the granite. So he called go there, called the gist time. The guy they throw. So as they throw one of that tipper they come from our shoe, the tipper they middle. So as he did the middle, the guy they throw some, they enter that tipper, while some they land for ground. So the measurement no call they accurate. So now because they can't call you for cutting, and they call you for cutting, block that tipper for middle. Then they put 2 eyelashes for the corner of for the cutty there. So the pancake where they use, because those pancakes, they make up the pickup. The pickup go fine. So the disabled fowl where my friend go buy the disabled fowl. Fowl they waka they do like this, they waka they so other fowl call they laugh and say, why you they waka like that? He say not being cosamo. Who be that? Men are not clap for me. I someone at the vest now they clap. The vest they go, you they clap. So, I don't know what they cause DNA for Lagos. Now, mosquito cause them. So, mosquito senior son just finished secondary school. So, as they come by, my friend called go kill her. I ain't never do NYSC. So, the mosquito never do NYSC. So, as the mosquito, he like the pain now. They cause say they will do introduction for him. Because he the friend one other mosquito for the other compound. So, dog called they sleep, they dream. As the dog they dream, he called dream, say, time don't reach. So the dog called the dream, say, in your guy go piss for toilet. So as your guy go piss, they call the driver. Dog now the dream. So as the dog they dream, call the waka like this. The waka go from the waka like this. The waka go. So FunnyBone call say, come up for stage. I say no.
Don't tell me nonsense. Don't tell me nonsense.
FunnyBone Live, Aina San.